Oh, man. A few months ago, I started playing World of Warcraft Classic for the first time. I bought the Dark Portal Pass, boosted to 58, and hit level 70 in no time at all. But before I knew it, I ended up spending all of my life savings on virtual World of Warcraft gold. Thousands and thousands of pounds to be able to buy the best items. To be able to fit in and show off how much gold I have to the GDKP community. They all know when I'm in the raid that I will get every item I want, and if anyone dares to bid against me, I make sure they never win. But to be honest, I think I have an addiction to buying gold. I have 3 characters all best in slot, and I've reached the gold cap twice, but now I can't afford to pay the rent this month. I had to sell most of the gold I bought to guildies at a discount so I can afford to eat this week. I've been living on pot noodles, man. I don't dare turn on a single light bulb in this house, out of fear the electricity will run out before tonight's GDKP. It was my daughter's 5th birthday yesterday, and the only thing I could think of doing was sending 500 gold to the level 3 Night Elf Druid she'll never play again. My ex has been blowing up my phone because I didn't get her anything, and I can't respond to her with a lie or a cover-up story because my phone is out of credit. But oh boy, I get to do Sunwell later, and I might get the legendary bow Thoridal. I just have to pray my neighbour's internet doesn't keep cutting out like last night. TBC hype, TBC hype.